Hello, guys. Welcome to Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland. I'm Eric, and today we are going to cover Lesson 2 of our preliminary Spanish lessons. Our topic for today is Basic Conversation. Here are the topics we're going to cover in this lecture. 1. Greetings and goodbyes. 2. How are you? 3. What's your name? 4. Where are you from? 5. In-class exercises. Let's get started. Section 2.1 Greetings and goodbyes. Saying hello. Please repeat after me. Hola. Hello. ¿Qué tal? What's up? Buenos días. Good morning. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas noches. Good evening or good night. Saying goodbye. Please repeat after me. Adiós. Goodbye. Hasta luego. See you later. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Hasta la próxima. See you next time. Hasta esta tarde. See you this afternoon. Hasta esta noche. See you tonight. Ya me voy. Gotta go. Nos vemos. See you later. Cuídate. Take care. Informal. Cuídese. Take care. Formal. Expressing gratitude. Please repeat after me. Gracias. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Thanks a lot. Many thanks. De nada. You're welcome. Con mucho gusto. My pleasure. Expressing apology. Please repeat after me. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Mucho lo siento. I'm so sorry. Está bien. That's okay. Te perdono. I forgive you. Other polite expressions. Please repeat after me. Con permiso. Excuse me. Perdón. Pardon. Perdóname. Pardon me. Por favor. Please. Bienvenido. Welcome. Felicidades. Congratulations. Buena suerte. Good luck. Next, we'll learn how to say "How are you?" in Spanish and how to respond to this question. See you in the next video.